Hi, my name's Brooke with WTI. If you're looking for a really nice pair of men's dress boots, check out these ones by Party. This is 100% genuine leather, and we love the tan colored one. It just looks really authentic. My husband loves how these shoes feel. These shoes are really easy and nice to put on, and even the inside just feels incredible. They also fit true to size. The soles are made with cork and rubber, and this leather here too goes all the way up to the ankle with that ankle support, and he just feels like the longer he wears them, they kind of form to his feet, but they're already comfortable from the get-go. There's no blistering or chafing. The tongue stays in place. It has reinforced eyelets and very durable shoelaces. We love this platform. It's 1/2 inch, so it's the perfect height. And it also has these nice grips on the bottom, so during the slippery winter months, it's nice that he has that support and he's less likely to slip. We also love this intricate stitching in the front and the cap toe design, all of the stitching in the back. These shoes really look great in a suit or with jeans. They're just really, really nice. These boots really come in handy. They're very versatile. If you really want a top quality boot, but at a great price, definitely check these ones out. We love them, but that's just my point of view.